Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about RSA digital signature scheme. In this scheme, the private and public keys of the sender are used. The sender uses her own private key to sign the message and the receiver uses the sender's public key to verify it. In previous tutorial, I gave you the introduction of digital signature, and in that tutorial also I explained you that the private key of the sender is used to sign the message and the receiver uses the sender's public key to verify it. Now let us study how the keys are generated in RSA digital signature scheme. The key generation in the RSA digital signature scheme is exactly the same as key generation in the RSA crypto system. How the keys are generated in RSA crypto system, this we have already studied in previous tutorial. So in this tutorial we will study how the keys are generated in RSA digital signature scheme. So in this scheme, what happens? First, the sender chooses two prime numbers, P and Q. After that, sender calculates the value of n, which is equal to P into Q. And after that, sender calculates the value of phi n, which is equal to P minus 1 into Q minus 1, because P and Q are prime numbers. And after that, sender chooses an integer e such that e is relatively prime to phi n and the value of e is greater than 1 but less than phi n. After that, sender calculates an integer d such that d is a multiplicative inverse of e in phi n. Now, the sender's private key consists of d and n, and sender's public key consists of e and n. Now, in RSA digital signature scheme, whenever the sender has to send a message M to the receiver, then the sender creates a signature S out of message M using his private key by using this formula. S is equal to M raised to power D mod N, where M is the message which has to be sent and S is the signature, right? And private key of sender consists of D and N. So, after creating the signature, sender sends the message M and signature S to the receiver. So, when receiver receives message M and signature S, receiver generates new message M2 using signature S and sender's public key by using this formula. New message M2 is equal to S raised to power E mod N, where S is the signature which is sent by the sender along with the message M. Now, after generating this new message M2, the receiver will compare this new message M2 with the received message M. If two values are congruent, receiver will accept the message. It means if M is congruent to M2 mod N, then the receiver will receive the message M.